thanks for tuning into my channel. This is the first time I've ever recorded a build of anything which I've been doing. I've done cars and bikes before, but I thought this time I'd have a go at making a sort of documentary thing about it. Hopefully you enjoy what you see. I'm a little bit camera shy, so be nice with the comments. So the bike I'm going to work on is a Honda cb250 1996. It's a little bit beat up at the moment. Yeah, so the plan is to maybe turn it into a standard sort of street scrambler or brat scrambler, something along those lines. I'm sure I'll change my mind a few times as I'm building it. It's what tends to happen normally. But this way you'll get to see my thought process and how I make things and how I go about getting to the end result. And hopefully you'll enjoy what you see. The first problem at the moment is I'm in my back garden and I don't have a bike in here. Just behind me, just where that bin is, I should have put a fence, I should have taken the fence out and put a gate in, but I've not got around to doing that, so the bike is currently stuck around the front of the house. So first task is get it through the house and into the back garden, which is going to be fun. Okay, so here we're here at the front of the house. Bike's just under this cover, so I'll quickly whip that off so you can have a look to see what we're dealing with, and then come up with a plan to get it through the house. Okay, so there she is. She's not pretty, she's got dents, she's dirty. Does run though. Got a full MOT, so it is actually a rideable bike. But yeah, let's see if we can get it around the back. Okay, so the plan is I'm going to move this bike out of the way. This is my daily bike, so we'll get that shifted out of the way, and then it's trying to get it through there. So I've got this ramp at the moment, which I normally use for getting the bikes into vans and things. So I'm going to use that to get over this hole where I've not put a floor in the porch yet. And then through the house, out the back door, into this space here. So right, let's see how well this goes. And we're through. So you may have seen when I took the bike off it at the front, I managed to pick up one of these to keep the bike upright because I don't have a bench or anything to hold it up against, and it doesn't have a centre stand, so nice heavy wheel chuck to keep her upright. Just sit that down in front and wheel her in. Just like that. And that'll hold the bike upright, no problem at all. Lock that in place so it can't go anywhere. And there we go. Safe as houses. Right, let's see what we've got. Okay, let's have a bit of a closer look around, shall we? So it's got a nice big dent just in the tank there, in front of the Honda sigil. Oh, I don't know if you can see or not, but this cylinder here has got a nice leak coming from the head gasket, so that's nice and oily. It does have a really nice condition full stainless Motard 2-in-1 exhaust. It's not really the look I'm going for, and it's too nice to chop up, so I might take that off and sell that. Got a nice bit of duct tape holding the back together, number plates hanging off, the seats held together with duct tape as well. So is the one indicator. Another dent in the tank. It's got a nice chrome front fender though. That's good. That's looking quite smart. That I might be able to do something with that. The wheels, standard for the age of the bike. The aluminium's getting a bit tatty, we can rub that back and respray those. I mean, on the whole, it's not that bad. I only paid £225 for it. 225 quid for a fully working MOT bike. I mean, you can't really complain too much about that. It's done 60 odd thousand miles, but I'm going to take the engine out and give it a good once over. New piston rings, new gaskets all round, spark plugs, probably put some sort of pod filter on it. So yeah, nice starting point I think. Just to show that it does run. I mean, it's not been started for a few days, it's going to be a pretty cold start. But we'll have a go. Key in. There's not a lot of fuel in it, so primer, choke. It's got a nice peg to hold the choke out because the choke doesn't stay out on its own. I'll have to do something about that as well. That's off, that's off. There we go, straight up, no problem at all. It sounds pretty smooth, so the guy who had it before used to have it for his everyday commute. He's done the minimal to keep it on the road, but he has kept it on the road. So, with any luck, it shouldn't take too much to bring this up. We're going to have some loader pipes on this, so this thing is far too quiet. So yeah, there we go, working bike. 225 quid. That's anything with these things. First challenge then, or second challenge now, try and get the seat off. Keys don't seem to be having much luck on that. I do have another set of keys though. Right, let's try these ones. Aha! Right. So, don't know what the second key on there does. And to that, open that. Pull that down, seat off. Okay, so that's not too bad. Just bring you over here to have a look. So the inside isn't too bad. Not bad. I'm probably, so a lot of this is going to get chopped off. You can just see where the rear suspension is poking through here, so obviously we're going to try and keep that just in there. Probably chop this off around here somewhere, just in front of the seat latch. So yeah, focus just in front of the seat latch. And that will really shorten the length of the bike, change the look of it a lot. But yeah, first job, take all the plastics off and start cleaning all of that crap off. So that's it for today, guys. I'll try and get a video up once a week, film little bits here and there of what I've been doing. Yeah, if you're interested to see how it goes, then please click on the subscribe button, more the merrier. If you've got any tips or advice, or if you've done one of these yourself, feel free to leave a comment in the box. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers.